Hello YouTubers, welcome to my YouTube NetSec channel. Today I'm going to show you a way how to download Windows 10 ISO file. So usually when you need to reinstall a Windows, you need a Windows installation file. Then you may need to find out the Windows download site. In here, by default, you can do update now and you can download the tool. This tool gonna help you generate an ISO file and let you run based on your system, and then you can write it into your USB driver and then boot it from there or burn the disk. So, but this is not the way. I'm gonna show you how to download in Windows ISO file. So in this website, which you can Google to find it out, they hide the download link from normal Windows page, but they didn't hide it for the mobile page. So what we're gonna do, we're gonna change it, the browser page to the mobile page. How are we gonna do that? We're gonna use F12 to start with our development tools, or you can direct it from here, the three dot here, and then more tools, developer tools, ctrl+shift+i or F12. Once you get into development tools page, then you can toggle your device toolbar from normal computer page to your mobile page. Let's see what's gonna happen. We toggled it and we're gonna refresh it. Now once you toggled it, it will automatically change the layout and change the content based on your device, because it's a mobile page, so they will show different content than the normal computer page. In this page, so Microsoft have the addition selection here for Windows downloading, Windows 10 disk image ISO file. As you can see, now you can choose Windows 10 November 2019 update. And with Windows 10, you can choose Windows 10 now. And then you can confirm. They even have more download options here. And then you can confirm that. Then they're going to ask you the language. The product language, of course, we're going to use in English. If you need other language, just choose from here. And then confirm that. Now you can directly download your Windows 10 English version, which we selected. You can have 64-bit and 32-bit. Either one can be downloaded from this hidden Microsoft software download page. It only shows from mobile devices, which is mobile page. So we can use Google developer tools to show mobile pages, and then we can get download link and we can download here. So let's try Windows 10. So you can see here the download automatically started once you click 32-bit. For 64-bit, it's the same thing. You click it, it will automatically downloading on your computer directly. Once you download it, you can use different third-party tools, write this disk image to USB drive, or you can burn to a disk, start the installation. I hope this video have some useful information for you. Thank you for watching.